In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out on Facebook using Chrome 5 minutes. First, open Google Chrome and go to Facebook. It can be your newsfeed, your profile, or any Facebook page. The steps are the same. Once the page loads, we'll use Chrome's built-in zoom so you can make text and images larger or smaller without changing any Facebook settings. Look to the very top right corner of Chrome. You'll see the three vertical dots, often called More or the menu button. Click that to open the Chrome menu. This menu controls things like New tab, History, and for today, Zoom. In the menu, find the Zoom section. It sits near the middle and shows a number with a percent sign, like 100%. On either side of that number are a minus sign and a plus sign. That percentage is the current zoom level for the page you're on. Chrome remembers this per site, so whatever you choose here will stick the next time you return to Facebook. To zoom in, click the plus button. Each click increases the zoom, typically in 25% steps, so you'll see 125%, 150%, and so on. As you go up, everything on Facebook, including text, photos, buttons, and sidebars, appears larger and easier to read. Stop when it feels comfortable. If elements start to look too large or require more scrolling than you like, you can always dial it back. To zoom out, click the minus button. Each click decreases the percentage, giving you more content on the screen at once. This can be helpful on smaller laptops when you want to see more of a page, or when photos take up too much space. Keep an eye on that percentage number so you know exactly where you are. If you ever want to get back to your usual view, aim for 100%. That's Chrome's default size and a good baseline to return to. Remember, this zoom affects only the page you're viewing in Chrome, not your computer's display or your Facebook account settings. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the menu closes while you're adjusting, just click the three dots again and pick up where you left off. And if you switch to another tab or window, you can repeat these same steps there. With that, you now know how to zoom in and out on Facebook using Chrome in a simple, reliable way. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.